It's time to once again write the greatest and noblest of traditions of the Mad Hatter. The Teacups! Oh yes! Now here's my question. You think one of us is going to throw up? Possibly?
Maybe if it's either of us.
Oh boy, just don't aim in my direction, okay? I know I know you a lot, but really, don't aim in my direction. On top of everything else, we got the danger that he might throw up. This is your lucky steed, huh?
Yep.
Oh boy.
Blue's my favorite color.
Mine too. Oh boy. This is gonna be crazy. I've never ever had a spin partner. Help me spin this thing.
We're doing it this time.
Oh shoot, man. It's gonna be nuts. Do you think the breeze might fly out or something?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm gonna go counterclockwise.
That's why, yes. Alright. Hold on to your butts.
Hold on to my dinner.
Oh goodness. Wow. This is going crazy.
Oh man.
Wow, we are properly dizzy there. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh wow. You should have seen a few fun outlooks.
Look down, gather your belongings, and watch yourself as you make your way through the
I love it. And you shouldn't get properly dizzy when I ride this anymore because I can now always never find somebody to help spin with. And today, I have a friend who helps me spin. And our cast members that help it happen. Thank you very much. Oh yes. Oh yeah. So one of the most marvelous and greatest rides, but only great if you can spin it really fast. So until next time, this is the Mad Hatter and Friends saying look out for the rest of the 4K 60 series, the 4K Ultra series, and don't you go changing or I'll find you and he'll throw it all up all over you. That's right. That's right. Toodles, my friend.